Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Advaita Achyuti Anadi Ananta Rupa. This Kshirodakshayi Vishnu is the person who is situated in everyone, every living being's heart. Ishara Sarvabhutanam Riddhesi Arjuna Tishta. That Ishara, Antajnani, who is existing in everyone's heart, that is Kshirodakshayi Vishnu, not only within the heart of all living entities, but he is within the atom. Andantarastham paramanu. Paramanu means atom. In this way, Vishnu expansion are there. It is inconceivable for us, but by the grace of Krishna, we can partially understand from the description of the Shastra. Otherwise, we cannot imagine how these things can happen. But it happens. We have to accept Shastra Chakushya. We have to see through the pages of Shastra. Otherwise, it is not possible. So, if you want to know Vishnu Tattva, if you want to know Krishna, his exalted position, then here are the description of the Shastra, and if we take them as it is, without malinterpretation, without showing any extraordinary intelligence by us, it is not possible. We have to accept. Therefore, the injunction is that you accept the statement of the Shastra. That is Bhagavad Gita also says, Dasastra vidinustrijya bhattate kamaka. If you do not follow the description of the Shastra, and if you manufacture something, then na siddhim savarnati, then you will never get perfection. You have to follow the Shastra. Otherwise there is no other alternative to understand the exalted position of Krishna, how he expands in different forms, as Vishnu, as Narayana. Sometimes they argue that Krishna is incarnation of Vishnu. That is also true, you will find in Chaitanya. Truth in this way, that when any incarnation comes, he comes through the Kshirodakshaya, Vishnu. But Kshirodakshaya is partial expansion of Krishna. The subject matter is very intricate, but if we follow this Shastra and accept it, then some clear conception we can have. So Nityananda Rama, so this songs were so Nityananda Rama. Nityananda is Balaram, therefore he said, Nityananda Akya Ram. Just like Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishnaya, Krishna Chaitanya Nami. I offer my respectful obeisances to Krishna, now appear as Krishna Chaitanya. He is Krishna. Similarly, Nityananda is Balaram. So, Balaram Hoila Nitai. Therefore, it is said here, Nityananda Kya Rama. His Rama, Balaram, But at the present moment, he has appeared by the name Nitta. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.